When we are talking about creating a lot of points, we cannot avoid the concept of pre-generating them for maximum performance. It might not always be applicable, but when it is, the performance gains can be quite significant. Continuing from where we left off, create a point generate node. Set point count to 1 million. And connect it to the first input of the attribute wrangle node. Remove the point count parameter on the wrangle node. Instead of storing the position attribute, we can directly override @p by passing it to the OSD limit surface function. Because this parameter is passed by reference, the function is able to write to it directly. Remove the for loop from the code. We can also directly bind the face ID and patch ID attributes. The result looks quite different. The point count looks a lot more scarce than the previous method. Why is that? The reason is the VEX threading. By default, VEX will only call nRandom once for every 1000 points. Therefore, we will get the exact same values for each cluster of 1000 points. We have to force VEX to compute random values for each point, and as such, we will use the rand function and pass ptnum with some arbitrary offsets. As you can see, the result now looks similar to the previous method. Finally, let's look at the performance. The new parallel approach takes about 80 milliseconds versus 1.4 seconds of the old method. So if we increase the point count 10x, the new approach now takes 472 milliseconds. Even with 30 million points, it takes less time than the old method. So it is more than 30 times faster, and I only have 8 cores. So you can see how pre-generating points is an easy performance trick we should always try to use if we can, over single-threaded approaches. And with that said, see you guys in the next lesson.